It's now or never. There are the 8 ladies who are lining up behind them. Merle van Bentham from the Netherlands, Stephanie Hernandez from Venezuela, Judy Bao and Rudy Huisman, also from the Netherlands, Saya Sakakibara from Australia, Manon Valentino from France, Elise Willoughby, your world champion from the USA, and your World Cup Series champion from last year, Laura Smulders from the Netherlands. This one's going to be tense. Let's see what happens. The riders are ready.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
This is it, the elite women final. Who's going to get down that hill first? Looks like Elise Willoughby's got a great start. She's heading towards turn number 1 with Laura Smulders right at the side of her. Elise takes it to the sky. Laura's in there in 2. Here comes Judy Bao around the outside. But it's the American, the reigning world champion, Elise Willoughby, working her way out in front in this one. Looks like she might have it in the bag. Let's see what happens, Jason.
Yeah, looks like Smulders' perfect season may not happen. Willoughby with an amazing start. She leaps to the front. She's taking a commanding lead, but Saya Sakakibara looks like she wants more. Smulders moving back up to 4th. Bao's going to challenge Sakakibara, but it's all Elise Willoughby straight to the line with the win. Bao finds her way to 2nd, and Sakakibara and Smulders have to go to the photo finish. Valentino with 5th, Hernandez with 6th, Huisman with the 7th place, and Van Bentham with the 8th. What an amazing run. Elise Willoughby with such a big win. Taking those pictures, winners or grinners, as we say, to talk about that lap. The official Willoughby, Bao, Sakakibara, Smulders, Valentino, Hernandez, Huisman, and Van Bentham.
Yeah, you know, all the girls have really stepped it up. I won my first World Cup here in 2012, being the only one to jump that triple, and now everyone's doing it. It's really tight racing into that corner, and it was just a lot of fun to get back in here. The last World Cup I raced was in Papendal in 2016, so it's been about 2 years, and it was really awesome to come back here and get to race with these girls again, and obviously get to challenge Laura on her home track, and it's great racing, and I was just happy to step it up from yesterday and have a bit more cleaner laps today.
And the current world champion, and today's big winner of the BMX Supercross for the elite women, Elise Willoughby. There you have it, that's the official Willoughby, Bao, Sakakibara,